they change it. Well, these are the two samples of the two sizes that are available. So go ahead and let's start with the original.
This is the original one that's
so this is actually the last one that we replaced. And so what we want to show you is that seal is making contact right where the dirt was from the existing seal. So it's the same size, the correct one that's supposed to be on there. Show them the side edge. Pull it out a little bit.
It's got that lip right here.
So see that lip right there?
Right here.
So that lip gets tucked underneath the edge of this wall, and then this seal actually flips up and gets stapled in place. And then of course it gets sealed on top of it. So that is the correct seal. Now, because the seal is new, and because the roofs sometimes they get dirty or they get rough spots on them and they need to be all cleaned real well, they will hang up, you know, that's why you want to put conditioner. But until the steel gets a little bit dry, till it shrinks up a little bit, till it gets conditioned a couple times, it may or may not sweep in and out correctly because it's just a great big old long wiper seal all the way down. Now here's, before we put it on there, let me see this for a second. So this is the shorter seal, right? And you see that little ledge right there? That's what captures the bottom of that. So there's a self-sticky tape. This guy tucks up underneath here to the bottom of the edge to come up so that you can only put it to a sill height. And that's how short that next seal would need to be. Now that seal is obviously not long enough because you see how it's here. If we put this seal in here, it would still work and do the job.
Yeah, it's still laying down over the roof.
Still laying down the roof.
Yeah.
But our only concern is that when it flips over into the inside, that it's not going to make enough watertight. So this is the opposite side of that seal.
That's the inner.
The inner. So they put two seals on there so that regardless if you have two seals now sweeping the water off to push it, to divert it off of the slide out. But we were worried about if we put too short of a seal, then it might allow the water to go through. So we're going to go back with the same size that was on there previous.
Same size seal, right here.
And this is the one that was here before the customer seen it. So we're gonna put that back on. I think at one point, Terry, when he seen it, it was either like a hair too past it,
yeah,
or in some areas it was just a hair shorter of it. And so they just assumed that it was the wrong seal that we had installed. But we got these seals from Grand Design. They're like